Next year, I'd like to travel to Australia. It's the only country that is also a continent. I didn't know that before.
Yes, but on the other hand, you've seen so much. Hand. Hand. Land. Hand. Mia enjoyed traveling solo, but she felt a little homesick. Because she had no one to talk to, she really missed her friends and family.
Sarah's dad has let her borrow his car for her first solo trip.
Fourth. Traveling solo was fun. On the other hand, I missed my friends. Maybe next year, I'll go on 2 trips, one with friends and one alone.
Trying different food is the thing that Mia likes best. Best. First. Best.
I've visited 3 continents and 10 countries.
What you like best is your favorite thing. First. Best. Zari is sad because she feels homesick. She really misses her family.
Traveling solo was fun. On the other hand, I missed my friend.
Get more with Super Duolingo. Go ad-free and skip the interruptions to focus on your learning. Unlock unlimited hearts and make as many mistakes as you need. And you can target weaknesses in your practice hub with AI-powered practice sets based on your recent mistakes.